Okay, now, first when you're making grilled cheese, you want to assemble your ingredients on the most unclean, dirtiest countertop you can find. Alright, now secondly, what you want to get is you want to get a weird yellow block. Not sure what this is. I was taking a walk in the park one day, found it on the ground, covered in dirt and gravel. Now lastly, the most essential part of grilled cheese is these white squares. Now if you don't have white squares at home, what I recommend is filling a nice jar of milk, putting it in a windowsill, and letting it curdle up to 7 to 8 weeks. Now, as you can see here, I've already had my batch going for a while, about a year now, so it's pretty good. Now the first step in making the grilled cheese is you want to open up your butter, and what you want to do is you want to spread it nice and evenly on the bread, right? Now my grandfather always taught me that you don't use a knife when making grilled cheese, and he was the grilled cheese master, so let me tell you. So, he always told me to do this, right? And you just get in there nice and good. Get it, yeah, work it in there. And then it's ready to go in the pan. Alright, now after your bread is buttered, you want to turn your stovetop to the highest setting. See, the highest setting is the best setting because it'll probably burn off all the cancers and salmonella that your bread got from your dirty countertop. Now, after that's done, take away squares. Right between pieces of bread, make sure the butter's facing the dirty countertop. Pick up all the nice nutrients off the counter. Put that on there like so, but it's facing outwards, right? And then you plop it down, then you just wait till it's burnt to a char grill. Now, after it's been cooking for your desired amount of time, what you want to take is you want to take your utensils of choice. Mine are these fine nutter butters. Now try to flip it. Flip it best you can. Make sure it's nice and even. Wait, 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 hang on, almost there, hang on, oh, burnt myself, oh, now that you have the bread turned over, simply wait the same amount of time for your other side to cook. Now when it's done, so you want to take it out, put it on your plate. Now once it's on your plate, most important part, put it into a triangle. Now, after it's cut, ready for good eating.